Hey, it's Matt with an update on the Cancer Sucks fundraiser.
What a wonderful.
This was a fantastic experience for me. In just 15 days, we sold 174 shirts and raised $1,600 donated to Cancer Care Northwest. Again, the money raised will go towards the medical bills for families getting treatment over at Cancer Care Northwest here in Spokane. A huge shout out to my friend Kyle Peterson at Bison Printing. I could not have done this without him. He was the one behind the computer, the business, the logistics. He was amazing and did it all volunteer out of just the kindness of his heart, and I cannot thank him enough. So thank you, Kyle. Thank you, Bison Printing. Now, how do you get your shirts? If you ordered your shirts and had them shipped, they will go out on Tuesday, February 16th. They will be shipped, so you should be getting them sometime by the end of this week. If you did a local pickup option on Wednesday, February 17th, I will be at Windermere North off Country Homes here in Spokane where I work from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can come right up to the front door. I will see you there and I will personally deliver your shirt. I would love to say hi to all of you. If you can't make it on Wednesday during that pickup time, just contact me, text me, email me, message me through Facebook or Instagram or however, and I will personally deliver the shirt to you. Again, I am so thankful for all of you who helped order shirts. I learned so much. I'm very proud of all of us. This was a great experience for me, and I'm looking forward to doing it again next year. Little hint at next year, I think next year we're going to be selling Cancer Sucks beanies. These will keep those beautiful bald heads warm for those going through treatment, and we can change it up. I got a lot of feedback and a lot of people own t-shirts. It's a pretty common thing in someone's wardrobe. So beanies will be the item that we sell next winter. That's it for me. Talk soon.